Hello and welcome to another GCSE maths paper. I have got a lot of positive feedback. Well, I say a lot of, not that much, but you know, the most I've got on out of any of my other videos. The most positive comments on my GCSE maths video, so I thought I'd do another one today, especially because you've got November exams coming up in the next couple of weeks. So let's get started. Today we're doing the most recent GCSE paper, obviously, because we haven't had GCSEs for 2 years now, which is quite crazy. So it's the May 2019 paper. Let's just go ahead and have a go, and I'm going to try and show you as much working as I can. Let's see how we do. So there are only blue cubes, red cubes and yellow cubes in a box. The table shows the probability of taking at random a blue cube from the box. The number of red cubes in the box is the same as the number of yellow cubes in the box. So if we have the same number of red and yellow cubes, they're obviously going to have the same probability of picking them out. So if we know that the blue cubes is 0.2, take that away from the 1, because 1 means like 100%. It's a 100% probability that you're going to choose blue, red or yellow. So if we take away 0.2 from 1, it's 0.8. Split that in half, you get 0.4 for each. Okay. There are 12 blue cubes in the box. Work out the total number of cubes in the box. 12 blue cubes in the box. Okay, so 0.2, that's 1/5. So 1/5 of total is 12. So 5/5 must be 60. There's 60 cubes in the box. Dion needs 50 grams of sugar to make 15 biscuits. She also needs 3 times as much flour as sugar, 2 times as much butter as sugar. Dion is going to make 60 biscuits. Work out the amount of flour she needs. So for 15, she needs sugar, she would need 50 grams. Flour, she would need 150 grams. And butter, she needs 100 grams. So for 60 biscuits, 60 biscuits, she needs 4 times the amount, right, of all of those. So sugar will be now 200 grams. Flour will be 600 grams. And butter will be 400 grams. Now work out how much flour she needs. So 600 grams. Dion has to buy all the butter she needs to make 60 biscuits. She buys the butter in 250 gram packs. Dion has to buy all the butter. Oh, how many packs of butter does Dion need to buy? Okay, so she needs 400 grams of butter. Therefore, she needs 2 packs. Because, obviously, you can't only buy 150 grams of a pack. So, she has to buy 2 whole packs. So, there will be 100 grams left over, 2 packs. Find the highest common factor of 72 and 90. Okay. 72 breaks into 12 and 6, and then 4 and 3, and 6 breaks into 3 and 2. They're both prime numbers. 3 is a prime number. 2 and 2. 90 breaks into 45 and 2, and then 9 is not a prime number. What am I doing? And then 9 and 5. 5 is a prime number. 9 breaks into 3 and 3. Okay, so 90 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, 72 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, I don't really know why I did this, because it's probably easier just to list the factors of both. So 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times 24, 4 times 18, 5 times nothing, 6 times 12, 7 times nothing, 8 times 9, and they're your factors of 72. And then 90, 1 times 90, 2 times 45, 3 times 30, can't do 4 times, 5 times 18. Can you do 6 times? Oh, you can. 6 times 15. Can't do 7 times, can't do 8 times, 9 times 10. So the highest common factor there is 18. But to work that out with your prime factorizations, you can, let's get a red, you can see 2's in both, 3's in both, and 3's in both. So 2 times 3 times 3 is 18. You can do it like that as well. Okay. The diagram shows the planned front elevation and side elevation of a solid shape drawn on a centimetre grid. In the space below, draw a sketch of the solid shape. Give the dimensions of the solid on your sketch. So it's going to be a please do this with a ruler in your exam. Should it come up? So we got 4 centimetres across the top, 5 centimetres on the bottom, down the side. I think that's all you'd need to do. I'm not too sure, to be fair. Okay. Oh god. Oh. Shape A can be transformed to shape B by reflection in the x-axis, followed by a translation CD. Find the value of C and the value of D. So if you reflected it in the x-axis, it would now be here, and then it has a translation, so it goes back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C would be -6, and then D would be -1. Lovely jubbly. A shop sells packs of black pens. Oh, sorry, oh my god. A shop sells packs of black pens, packs of red pens, and packs of green pens. 2 pens in each pack of black pens. Oh, sorry. There are 2 pens in each pack of black pens, 5 pens in each pack of red pens, and 6 pens in each pack of green pens. Okay, right. Okay. The number of packs of black pens to red pens to green pens sold, 7 to 3 to 4. Oh my god, this is confusing. Alright. Okay, number of pens, number of packs, fucking hell. 7 to 3 to 4. Oh, this has got me a little bit. I don't know why. Huh. Two pens in each pack of black pens. Let me draw it, sometimes that helps. Oh my god. That's gonna annoy me, that's blue. Let's make that black. Two, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Five, 6, and 2. A total of 212 pens were sold. What I'm confused about is how you work out the ratio. Oh no, well you must just... So 14 to 15 to 24. Is that how you do it? So then you add those up. Sorry, I'm just trying, and then I will feedback if I get it right. So 19 plus 24 gives you 43. Oh, that looks correct actually. 212 divided by 43. Well, hold on, 43, 86. Actually, does that look correct? That is not correct. That is definitely not correct. Oh, I'm confused. What the hell? Hold on. So, number of packs sold. Seven to 3 to 4. So that would, yeah, number of pens sold would be like that, no? 20, no. I'm an idiot. It's because I did 20, I did 19 instead of 29. 29 plus 24, that's better, 53. There we go, 53 times 4 gives you 212. That is tricky, okay. 53 times 4 gives you 212. So it means that there was 42 black pens sold, there were 60 red pens sold, and there were 96. Does that add up? 96 plus 60 plus 42. 8, no. Wait, 40. Oh my god, my maths. What am I doing? So 14 times 4 is not 42, it's 56. Let me just erase that. That's better. So 12, 10, so like 1, 6, 12, 21. 2 on 2. Okay, good. Okay. 96 green pens were sold. That's tricky, that one. Maybe it's not. I think maybe I just overthought it. Maybe I just overthought it. Who knows? Oh well, we went through that together. Here are two rectangles. QR equals 10 centimeters. BC equals PQ. Call those X then. The perimeter of ABCD is 26 centimeters. The area of PQRS is 45 centimeters. So 10 times X equals 45. So X equals 4.5. Let me write that in. 4.5, 4.5. 4.5. So therefore, perimeter, so 4.5 plus 4.5, and then we're going to call these y actually, plus 2 lots of y equals 26 centimeters. So 2y equals 26 take away 9, 17y equals 8.5 centimeters. So AB equals 8.5 centimeters. AB. Work out an estimate for the value of 6. Okay, so the root of 60 times 100 equals the root of 6,000. Oh my god. How are you supposed to do that? Or are you supposed to do 64 times 100? Yeah, wait, hold on, that'd be root 64 times root 100, which is 8 times 10, 80. Forget that. 2.3 to the power of 6 equals 148. Correct 3 significant figures. Find the value of 0.23 to the power of 6. Correct 3 significant figures. Oh my god. Like you divide it by 10, but then you've done that 6 times. That'd be 1, 2, 3. I think it would be that. I kind of want to check that out now on my actual calculator. Oh my god, I'm cheating. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, good. Because, yeah, if you're dividing by 10, but then you've done that to you've done that to the power of 6, so basically dividing by 10 6 times. So yes, find the value of 5 to the power of minus 2. 1 over 25. So when you have something to the power of minus, you flip it. So 5 to the power of minus 1 is just 1 over 5. So 5 to the power of minus 2, you flip it to get 5 to the power of 5. 5 to the power of minus 2 equals 1 over 5 squared, which equals 1 over 25. Work out 3.5 times 1.6. Actually, you know what, it'd probably be easier to do it as actual fractions. So 3.5 is 7 over 2 times by 8 over 5, which is 56 over 10, 5 and 3/5. That's much easier. Okay. The graphs with equations 3y plus 2x equals a half and 2y minus 3x equals minus 113 over 12. My god, have been drawn on the grid below. Using the graphs, find the estimates of the solutions of the simultaneous equation. Oh, right. So, just where they cross. So x equals 2.25 and y equals roughly minus 1.3 roughly. I think that looks about right. Okay. A bus company recorded the ages and years of the people on coach A and the people on coach B. Here are the ages of 23 people on coach A. Okay, complete the table below to show the information about the age of the people on coach A. So the median... Oh god, why can I never, like, do this normal? Why do I have to do this? $59. The lower quartile, oh god. I literally haven't done this in frickin' ages. Okay, the lower quartile is like 23 divided by 4. It's like n plus 1 divided by 4. I think it's the sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 53. And then the upper quartile is 3n plus 1 divided by 4. So 3n is 69 plus 70 divided by 4. Wait, that doesn't make sense. I'm gonna go 66. I could be wrong. I'm not actually sure. I can't actually work that out. I hate data. Maybe I should look it up. But anyway, doesn't matter. Richard says that the people on coach A are younger than the people on coach B. Is Richard correct? Now, I don't think we can tell. Oh my god. Okay. The median is a lot lower on coach A. The lower quartile, however, is not. But the upper quartile is. I think yes. I think we can say yes. The medium and upper quartile and greatest age are all lower for coach A. However, I have a feeling you'd need the mean, but I don't know. Right, forget. Don't take any advice for that. But Richard says that the people on coach A vary more in age than the people on coach B. Is Richard correct? No, as the difference. No, as the difference is greater on coach B. I think. Okay. Here are 3 spheres. The volume of sphere Q is 50% more than the volume of sphere P. The volume of sphere R is 50% more than the volume of sphere Q. Find the volume of sphere P as a fraction of the volume of sphere R. These are hard questions. Okay. So, VP equals, so 1.5 VP equals VQ, and 1.5 VQ equals VR. So now 1.5 lots of VQ, which is 1.5 VP, equals VR. So it'll be 2.25 VP equals VR. Now, I need to do it the other way almost. So VP equals, oh god. So if I know that 1 times by 1.5 gets you to VR, divide by 1.5, I'm dividing by 1.5 and timesing by 2/3, okay. So VP equals 2/3 VR, right? Oh no, sorry, VQ I mean. Bloody hell. Sorry, they're both VQ. VQ. So to times by 1.5 is the same as divide, so to go the other way you have to divide by 0.5, by 1.5, okay, so then VQ is 2/3 of VR, so then oh my god, okay. VP equals 2/3 of VQ, which is 2/3 of VR, which is 4/9. VP is 4/9 of VR. I think it's 4/9. Okay, we're gonna go with that. The volume of shape of sphere P as a fraction of the volume. Yeah. I think that's right. Oh god, I hate these ones. Oh dear. Given that n can be an integer such that n is greater than 1, prove that n squared minus n is never an odd number. We got a problem. Okay. So, let's say 2n is even and 2n plus 1 is odd. Right? Is that what you do? (2n squared minus 2n equals 4n squared minus 2n. Which equals 2n lots of n, 2n minus 1, and 2n, so it would be even times an odd, which is always even. That's always odd, isn't it? Wait, hold on. 2 times 3 is, okay, no, sorry, it's always even. Okay, and then 2n plus 1, which is a number squared, minus 2n plus 1 equals 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1, 4n squared plus 4n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1. 4n squared plus 2n is the same, basically, as the other one. So we 2n plus 1, which again is even, times odd, which is even. Okay, I hope that's proven it. And oh god, I need to check the answers at the end, to be honest. I'll get it up on my phone at the end, I think. Okay, find the exact value of tan 30 times sine 60. Now these are values that you need to know off by heart, which I do not know off by heart. So make sure you know them, because they might come up in a non-calculator paper. Tan 30 is root 3 over 3 times by sine 60, which is root 3 over 2. So root 3 times root 3 is 3. 3 over 6 is a half. Okay. How many questions have we got left? Probably quite a few, I'd imagine. Yes. 8, including the one we're in. Okay. Right, oh my god. The diagram shows a solid shape. The shape is a cone on top of a hemisphere. The volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. The height of the cone is 10 centimeters. The base of the cone has a diameter of 6 centimeters. The hemisphere has a diameter of 6 centimeters. K pi centimeter squared. Okay. Okay, so I basically just got to work out the volume. So the cone, 1/3 pi r squared h, 1/3 pi r squared, so 3 squared times by 10. So 3 squared is 9, and 1/3 of 9 is 3, so 30 pi centimeters cubed. And then the volume of the hemisphere is going to be half, because obviously that's the volume of a sphere, so we need half it. 4/3 pi r cubed, which equals 4/6, which is 2/3, sorry, pi r cubed, which is 2/3 pi 3 cubed, which is 27. 2/3 of 27 is 18. 18 pi centimeters cubed. The total volume of the shape is k pi centimeters cubed, so it's 30 pi plus 18 pi, which is 48 pi centimeters cubed, so k is 48. Oh god, I hate combinations, I never understand them. There are 3 dials on a combination lock. Each dial can be set to one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 3-digit number 553 is one of the ways the dials can be set as shown in the diagram. Work out the number of 3 different digit numbers that can be set for the combination lock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh god, I can't remember how you do this. Because you could go 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1. And you could do 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5. It's not 125, is it? Not just 5 cubed. I don't think it is though. Because for each number, I'm gonna go 5 cubed that could be wrong. Oh my god, this is so helpful. I know, guys, I'm sorry. We're going to go through the answers afterwards, it's fine. How many of the possible 3-digit numbers have 3 different digits? You got me stumped. Two-thirds? No, that's not correct. That is just not correct. That is not correct. I actually don't know. We're going to leave that out. Given that x squared to 3x plus 5 is equals the ratio 1 to 2, find the possible values of x. So 3x plus 5 take away x equals 1, right? X squared, sorry, equals 1. Because the difference is 1 part. Or, actually, no. Sorry. No, forget that. X squared equals 2 lots of 3x plus 5. Right? Or 2 lots of x. 1 to 2. No, that's not right. Oh my god, this is really embarrassing. Cannot remember how to do any of this. So that means for every 1 part of x, there's 2 parts of 3x plus 5. So yeah, that would make sense. X squared equals 2 lots of 3x plus 5. X squared equals 6x plus 10. X squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0. X. Yeah, this is telling me I'm wrong, basically. That's not right. That's not right. I don't know what is right, but that's not right. 1 to 2. Okay, we're going to come back to that one as well, I think. Okay, Surds, lovely. Express root 3 plus root 12 in the form a root 3, where a is an integer. Plus root 4 root 3, which equals root 3 plus 2 root 3, which equals 3 root 3. Express 1 over root 3 to the power of 7 in the form root b over c, where b and c are integers. Oh my god. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27 root 3. Oh. Bless me. You have to rationalise it. 81 over root 3. Root 3 over 81. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Okay. Completing the square. I love a bit of completing the square. Let's go. X minus 3 squared. Oh my god. Minus. When I say I haven't done GCSE maths in a while, I was not lying. Okay, hold on. How do we do completing the square? It's like x squared minus three minus, it's like b over 2, root b over 2 squared, like. So b over 2 squared, right? And minus 9 plus 1. Yeah. B. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. X minus 3 squared, sorry. All squared. The x minus 3 squared minus 8. X equals 3. So a equals 3 and b equals 8. Don't include your minuses because it already has them in the question. Hence, write down the coordinates of the turning point. So it would be, it's 3 minus 8. So you take the opposite of what's after your x, and minus 3 turns to a 3, and you take whatever is outside the bracket, so minus 8. Okay. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay, H is inversely proportional to P. H is inversely proportional to P. P is directly proportional to root T. So H equals K over P, and P equals K root T. Given that H equals 10, and T equals 144 when K equals P, when P equals 6, sorry. 6 equals K times 12, so K equals a half. Find the formula for H in terms of T. Okay, K is a half. H equals K over P. So 10p equals a half, p equals 1/20th. Wait, no. Oh, bloody hell. Wait. Oh, God, wait. Oh. I'm confused. Okay, hold the fuck up. I've done that wrong. Okay, given that H equals 10 and T equals 4 when P equals 6, so K equals 60 in that case, but H equals 10, T equals 144. 6 equals 12 times K. K half. I think what we're going to try and do, so P equals K over H, and P also equals K root T. So K over H equals K root T. K over H, and this, I should probably give them two different letters, shouldn't I? Anyway, I've got the numbers for them, so it doesn't really matter. 60 over H equals half root T. Give a formula for H in terms of T. Bloody hell. So if I times that up, I get 60 equals a half root T times H, and then divides it, so 120 over root T equals H, I think. We're going to go with that. We're going to go with that. F minus 1 of x, so f of x is 3x minus 1. So the inverse will be, we like to swap them around and then solve for x. X plus 1 equals 3y. Y equals x plus 1 over 3. X plus 1 over 3 is f of minus 1x. Given that f of g of x equals 2g of f of x. So f of g of x equals 2 lots of g of f of x. Oh, I need to put that all in a bracket. 3x squared plus 12 minus 1 equals 2 lots of 3x minus 1 squared plus 8. 3x squared plus 11 equals 2 lots of 3x plus 3, 3x squared plus 3, 2 lots of 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Which equals 18x squared minus 6x plus 1. Oh no, sorry, plus, oh my god, what am I doing? Minus 12x plus 2, sorry. So minus 15x squared plus 12x plus 1 equals 0. So 15x squared minus 12x minus 1 equals 0. Done. Whew, that was a lot. Okay, last questione, and then we will markety. There are only R red counters and G green counters in a bag. A counter is taken at random from the bag. The probability that the counter is green is 3/7. Okay. I think we need a tree diagram going on here. So first pick green or red. 3/7 versus 4/7. Counter is put back in the bag. Second pick. 2 more red counters. That's out, so there's 7 counters. 2 more red counters and 3 more green counters, and that was 12 counters. Oh. Okay, that's not great then, is that? Actually, we don't know how many counters are there, do we? We don't know if there's 7 counters. That might not be true. Let's forget that then. Probability that the counter is green. 6/13, that is green. And 7/13, that is red. 6/13 green. 7/13 red. Find the number of red counters and the number of green counters that are in the bag originally. Right. So 5 counters. This is tricky. So adding those 5 counters have changed the probability from 3/7 to 6/13. Three over 91. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Adding those 3 counters is 3 over 91. So 3 more green counters. I see. No. Would that make sense? I don't actually know. We're gonna go with that. So 3/7 of 91. No, sorry, it'd be 3/7 of. Oh my god. Be 86 divided by 7. I don't think that works. It definitely does not work. The probability that the counter is green is 3/7. The counter's put back in the bag. We have 18 over 91, 21 over 91, 24 over 91, and 28 over 91. I don't know. Wait, hold on, what's 7? Okay, wait, 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78. ...91. So that is our first one. Would it be 182 minus 5 would be 178. 178 divided by 7. 2 remainder 3. No, I don't know. We're gonna just look up the answers now. I think we're gonna see what I got out of 80. And yeah, so what is this? This is May 2019 Edexcel maths paper. Mark scheme. Okay, so it says A is 0.4 and 0.4, so I got 2 marks on that one. And the total is 60, so 2 marks, so 4 out of 4 on that one. Then 600 grams is correct, 3 marks. 400 grams of butter, 2 packs, 2 marks, good. Total for question 3 is 2 marks, 18, good. 2 marks, lovely. Sketch, where's the sketch? We need the sketch. Lovely. Yep, that's fine, 2 marks. Actually, wait, does it say you need? Write down the diameter of cylinder, write down the height of the cylinder, so yeah, that's what that is. And then C equals minus 1, D equals, C equals minus 6, D equals minus 1. 96, good. Well, that was a struggle, that question, wasn't it? 8.5, lovely. 4 marks. 75 to 81, so any number, so 80 is fine. 0.00048, lovely. 1 over 25, wonderful. 4 marks, still not dropped a mark yet, quite yet. 5 3/3, lovely. 2.25 minus 1.3, yep, that's fine. Okay, this is where we might lose the marks. 59, 53, 66, lovely. We got it. Yes. All statistics are lower for coach A, median is lower, middle age is lower on coach A. Oh yeah, got that right. No. Greater difference, yeah, you can have that, greater difference between the ages. 4/9, yes baby. That was good, I'm glad I got that. Okay, proof shown. Yes, okay. N number being odd, i.e. 2n plus 1 squared minus 2n plus 1. Yes, we got that. We got that easy peasy. I hope everyone understands that proof. A half. Good. Question 14, we've not dropped any marks. That's pretty decent. 48 is K. Lovely. Okay, now here is where we're going to lose marks. Oh! No, we didn't. 125 is correct. So it's 5 cubed. So you basically do the number of options for each one, and then to the power of how many codes there are. So then, okay, this is where I'm going to lose the mark. So did not get those 2 marks because for method to find the number of combinations with 3 different digits, i.e. 4 times 3, 5 times 4 times 3. 5 times 4 times 3. No, because there's 5 different digits. And then there's 4 other different digits that could go with that, and then there's 3 other digits. Okay, that kind of that does make sense. Because to do it with all of them, it's 5 times 5 times 5. So then to do it with 3, okay, that makes sense. So it would be 5 times 4 times 3, which is 60. Okay. Okay, now this is, okay, I've lost 4 marks. So we've currently lost 6 marks. Or actually, we might have. So x squared over 3x plus 5 equals 1/2. Surely then you can do it the other way. Surely I can then times, oh no, because then you times it, you get 2x to the power. 2x squared equals 3x plus 5 rather than the other way. Okay. And then you solve. Yeah. X minus 5. X plus 1 equals 0, so x equals 5 over 2 and x equals 1, minus 1. Huh. So you've got to know the ratio goes to the fraction. Right, anyway. 3 root 3 and then root 3 over 81. We got those. Three 8 and then 3 minus 8. Wonderful. Oh god, oh, lovely. I didn't think I got that one right. 120 over root 2. X plus 1 over 3, yes, got that right. Got this proof right as well, because obviously I got the final show that thing, so that's right. And then, oh yeah, here is where we are going wrong. Okay. Lovely. So, for a process to find a relationship between R and G, green over red plus green equals 3/7. Or green over red equals 3/4. Right, okay. For a process to find a second relationship between R and G, G plus 3, sorry, I'm going to have to work over my working because I've got a lot of working here, over R plus 2 plus G plus 3 equals 6/13. Okay. Or G plus 3 over R plus 2 equals 6/7. And then you solve, I suppose. So G plus 3 over R plus 2 G plus R plus 5 equals 6/13. So G plus 3 equals, so 13 lots of G plus 3 equals 6 lots of G plus R plus 5. 13G plus 39 equals 6G plus 6R plus 30. So 7G minus 6R equals minus 9. And then you have to form an equation. This one is also G equals 7G equals 3 lots of R plus 3 lots of G. So then 4g equals 3r, and then you get that. Okay, so g equals 3r over 4. So then if you do 7 lots of 3r over 4 minus 6r equals minus 9. So 21r over 4 minus 6r equals minus 9. 21 over 4, quick calculator, 5.25 minus 6 is minus 3/4, so minus 3/4 r equals minus 9, so r equals minus 9 divided by answer 12. Okay, yeah, that's the answer, 12 red. And then you can put it back in to get the green. So 9, because if we know that something over r is, so something over 12 is 3/4, it's going to be 9. Okay, so I don't know if I got any, I don't think I got any marks for that either. So we lost 5. 9, 11 marks, so I got 69 out of 80. It's not too shabby, but I want to see what the grade boundaries were. 2019 Edexcel. Let's see. Wait, what was the code of this paper? Total marks 69. Cheeky. Let's have a look. So, freaking hell, why can't I find maps? There we go. Oh, so to get a 9, 1 MA, 1 on each. So it was 198 overall. So 66. 66 out of 80 was a 9. So I did get a 9. Wonderful. Only just though. So maybe when you guys do GCSEs, hopefully you will have revised, but some of these questions were very tricky. So anyway, have a lovely day, whatever you're doing, and I hope this has been helpful, even though I made some mistakes. I hope that you learned through my mistakes with me. Take care, and I'll see you soon.